Hi there, I'm Penny Johnson. I'll be your instructor for the course, Administrative Office Management. In this video, we're going to take a look at the content for the course here within our course's Blackboard site and within our related Mindtap site. So you can see from the screen, I've already logged into the Madison College Blackboard system, and I'm going to advance to our course, Administrative Office Management. There's lots of content in Blackboard, so take some time and become familiar with all of the information here. The links to the different sections in Blackboard appear on the left-hand side in this navigation pane. Once you're familiar with our Blackboard site, then you'll be ready to register with the Mindtap system. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Assignments to find that link. Here it is, Register with Mindtap. So in our course, we don't purchase a physical book. Instead, we purchase a code for using the Mindtap system. If you have not already purchased your code, you need to make contact with the Madison College bookstore to get that code. Once you have the code, then you can use this link to register with Mindtap and create your account. When you create your account with Mindtap, use your Madison College student email address in your account setup. That'll help with the linking between Blackboard and Mindtap, and it's better for communication purposes. Okay, once your account is set up in Mindtap, then you'll see the content of our course. Our course has 5 parts to it, and each part has several chapters. So I'm going to click on part 1. There we can see chapters 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to go ahead and click on chapter 1. In every chapter, you'll find the learning objectives for that chapter, and that's just a list of things that we're going to learn together. Underneath that is the link for reading the chapter. Every time you read the chapter for any one of the chapters for our course, you need to make sure that you're taking notes while you read. That'll help you retain the information. It'll help you make note of the important information that you come across, and it'll help make you complete the homework that much easier. Underneath the link for reading the chapter are all of the links for the related activities. And as I mentioned before, some activities are in Mindtap and some activities are in Blackboard. So you have to keep an eye on both of those. Did you notice that when I clicked on the link for advancing to Mindtap, that the Mindtap window opened in a whole new pop-up window? So if you click on the Mindtap links and they don't open in a new window, you may have to tell your web browser to allow that new pop-up window to open. And here's how you do that. So I'm using Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, I'm going to click this little hamburger icon, right? It's a little bun with a hamburger in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to click that icon and I'm going to choose Settings. From Settings, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom and click on Advanced. Then under Advanced, I'm looking for, that's what it's called, Content Settings. So I'll click there. And under Content Settings, I have to scroll down yet again and look for pop-ups. There it is. So I'm going to click on Pop-ups. We need to allow the pop-up for Mindtap. So under the Allow section, click Add. And here's what you need to type in. The company that owns Mindtap is called Cengage. So you're going to type in cengage.com and click Add. Then you'll be all set and that new window should be able to open. If you have any technical trouble or if you have any questions about the content of the course, feel free to email me at any time.